A'i berthynas o mae efo plant yn arbennig dda. Mae'n gallu siarad efo plant yn wych a mae plant yn gallu uniaethu gyda fo.
Mae o'n caredig, mae o'n hoffi cael hwyl gyda ni.
Mae'n rhoi y plant yn gyntaf, mae o'n barod i siarad efo'r rhieni, sgyn nhw broblemau, mae'r drws ar agor.
He is the school basically. His enthusiasm and his passion for everything he does is just second to none, I think.
Mae pawb yn hapus I gefnogi o, I ddilyn o, I wrando. Mae yna lot o barch tuag at Dyfan Phillips.
That culture isn't there by accident. He is the head of that and he has led that and it will remain here. It's a wonderful legacy.
Mae Mr Hallett yn gweithio yn hynod o galed ar draws dwy ysgol. Mae egni gyda fe trwy'r amser, mae fe'n dod â gwen i'r ysgol pob dydd.
Dyw e ddim jyst yn rhy fath o, mae e'n popeth i'r blant. Mae gyda fe perthynas ffantastig gyda plant ni a fe mabu.
Mae'n eisiau gwybod sut ti'n teimlo pob dydd. A mae eisiau gwneud yn siŵr ysgol ni yn lle saff I pawb.
He is a truly transformational leader who has made an incredible difference to children and their families.
Mae'r trawsnewid yn yr ysgol yn anhygoel a diolch I Mr Hallett am y newidiadau yma.
He considers what the family is going through and he's there for everybody. He's just one amazing man.
I think Richard is inspirational as a head. You can see that he has an obvious passion for everything that's involved in that role.
He knows he doesn't know it all, but what he does so well is brings teams of people together to support him. So nothing is done to anyone, but we do it together.
So Richard was my maths teacher when I started secondary school. Without the influence that he's had on me, I wouldn't be the person I am without that.
I think that Mr Owen is a very kind head teacher. He's also very approachable. He's a role model to us all because he's always there for us.
He's committed and hardworking and absolutely the ultimate, utmost professional.